challenge.
The Big Bazar Momo Eating Challenge
And I'm
2025.
about to win.
Zoom, let's go.
Hi, this is Rose. And I'm hosting Momo Challenge alongside with Donna today. And I'm so excited for the event and I hope you guys enjoy as well. Look at my outfit.
Now the real business is going to start. How do we dance Nepalese style? How do I do it? What's the moves? That was gorgeous. Do you know, I have never seen a performance like that before. I'm learning the culture and that was just unbelievable.
My name is Asha and I'm from Abbertzford, Richmond. Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Rajesh and I live in Abbertzford.
We would like to participate for the competition. We're very hungry because we haven't had any lunch whole day working. We were on the feet.
So we are here today in Big Bazar for groceries.
My name is Riza. I live in Hoppers Crossing and we can't find this zebra noodles over there. So whenever I come here, I get one of it.
Yeah, my name is Romas. So I live at Hoppers Crossing as well. Well, she's my wife, so we live together. We don't have any nice big Nepalese
Grocery.
Convenience store or grocery place at the west side.
We don't have Nepalese groceries around Abbertzford, and then that's why we need to travel to this Glenroy for every sorts of kitchen groceries and everything we need in our home.
And it's very
KitchenAid,
convenient here as
so
well.
it's convenient and the pricing is also good for here. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so we are here.
I've met people from Clayton, Abbertzford,
Right.
Crossing.
Right, yeah.
How far is Hoppers again?
So here, I mean, in a good day, it's like 35 minutes. It's not that bad.
That's
Yeah,
dedication.
yeah, exactly. It's Sunday, so there was not much traffic. So we came here for the Momo challenge. So I'm
He's going to
participating in the
participate
challenge.
as well.
Good. How are
So-
you feeling?
I'm excited, looking forward to it. Just had a breakfast this morning. I haven't had a lunch yet, so yeah, trying to make the most out of it.
And even today we started, even before doing the shopping, actually we had a cup of tea and the samosa, which is available here too. So,
Yeah.
you can just have some appetite and then you can go for a shopping. So, yeah.
Does everybody know what a momo is? So your favourite product at Big Bazar, without a doubt, is?
Obviously momo, it's frozen momo, which is easy to make it
Do you know how a Nepalese momo is different to, say, like a Chinese dumpling? No. Number one, they are thicker. I know that. The flavour's different. You guys have it with a really, really nice orange sauce. It's called achar. Achar.
it's just packed. You just go home, steam it and have it. It's always tempting to have the momos.
And for the viewers, what is the ultimate best flavour in momo?
I would say buff momo.
What product is the reason that you drive all this way to Big Bazar? What is your ultimate product?
Yeah, of course, the Nepalese groceries, like all the masalas and everything that we keen to put in our dishes. So they're available here and it's very convenient as well. Like here we can get veggies and meats as well.
I'm trying to learn Nepalese today, guys. I know that your thank you is Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad. Yes. Dhanyavad. 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 Yes. Dhanyavad.
Hi, this is Malika. I'm from India. We both are from India. So we are southern part of India. We don't know all these momos, Nepalis, nothing when we were back in India. So this is all new to us.
And how do I say I love Nepal? Ma Nepalai maya garchu. Ma Nepalai maya garchu. Maya garchu. How is it? I think that's too easy for you. Yes.
Yeah, hi, this is Gautami and we work for Big Bazar. It's been 2 years we are working here.
Take me to your ultimate favourite product at
Yeah,
Big Bazar.
first we'll go with Malika's
should we
favorite
go?
product. Yeah.
Okay, I think it's in the frozen section. This is one of that.
Oh,
This is a green leafy vegetable. We get it very fresh back in our country. So this is called Rosali leaves. Rosali leaves.
Oh, like Rosella leaves.
Yeah.
Okay, like the bird.
Yeah.
And what do you use it for?
It's like green leafy, like spinach and all. It's a green leafy vegetable. It is very
Yeah,
healthy
we
as
use
well.
it for curries,
Yeah,
and for
curries.
non-veg, vegetarian,
Everything.
everything. Yeah.
It goes with everything very well.
And is there anything on the shelf here that you would recommend that we've got here?
Oh yes, actually, based on the Nepalese dishes that people would like to make, they got a lot of different varieties of spices, starting from veg. Like if someone is only vegetarian, they can have separate vegetarian spices selectively, and then if some of them are non-vegetarians, then they have multiple options of spices, and that's the reason. Oh, you got to look. They got to use now.
Yeah.
You can
I
see.
think momo masalas, they are very
momo
popular
masalas,
one.
they have separate,
and the
yeah.
meat masala, yeah.
I'll show you my favorite section in the Big Bazar actually. Sweets and pastries, which are very freshly made. We get it like this. Gulab Jamun.
Gulab Jamun.
Yeah,
Very
good.
traditional.
Yeah, very fresh and very juicy. Yeah, so fresh to have some cravings here.
Are we ready? And initially 15 momos will be given to everybody, and then 10 for health safety. How do I say eat? Kanus? Kanus!
I'm Bhupesh and I come from Clayton, and actually I'm a Nepali. And what really motivated me to come here is because of this noodle. It's quite famous in Nepal actually, and I really like this product, and it's quite cheap in Big Bazar. So I really came for this product, and hope the taste will match the same as in Nepal. So yeah.
All the way from Clayton.
Free samosa chia. Guys, I can smell samosas. Yum!
How long did it take you to drive?
It took me around 1.5 hours.
That's commitment.
Yes, yeah.
That is commitment. And
So,
it's
yeah.
all for YYs.
Yeah, all for
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop! I want you to meet my partner, Saeed, who looks the answer to Mo Salah. Have you ever seen Mo Salah eat a momo? Well, now you have.
First time.
So the question is, sauce or no sauce?
Of course, sauce.
And we've had plenty of momos before.
Yeah.
And Eunice,
How you going?
how are you feeling?
Feeling hungry?
When did you last eat?
Well, we were supposed to eat at 5:30, so I stopped eating at about 2:30.
This fasting is taking... I have heard that Eunice is a very competitive eater.
Way too.
Yes, this is true. Now, I know you're Turkish. You've had a lot of munti in your life. Have you had momo?
I've had Momo once, just over on the other side of Pasco Road.
And what was your thought?
I liked it very much.
Sauce or no sauce?
I think I'll try a couple with sauce, but if it's too spicy then...
Nice round of applause for non-South Asian category.
There was 10 in this one?
First one was 15 and the 10 next.
How are you feeling?
Feeling good.
Good?
I think we got the winner here. We got the winner. Oh, I'm sorry.
He's very competitive, Eunice. Very competitive. 16.
19.
19. 16. Most of us 16, Eunice 19. What do we have over here? Any high numbers? 20, 19, 25.
What is special about Waiwais?
You can't find, it's Nepali products, you can't
Yeah.
find in Australia. It's
Yeah.
really, and it's really, you will find more often in Nepali soap only.
Yeah.
And there are more Nepali soap in Clayton also, but we didn't get it there. But some Indian soaps are having this, but it is quite expensive. It was like $20 per packet, and it's quite cheap over here. It's like $13 over here. So it's $7.
So
Yeah,
there's a
differences.
difference from the
Yeah.
eastern suburb. Wow, that's
Yeah.
insane. So
Yeah.
it's worth the petrol money.
Yeah, yes. it's worth it now.
Normally we come here to buy the rice and also some pickles and spices.
And you live in Glenroy?
No, I live in Craigieburn.
Okay, so you drive all the way for Big Bazar.
It's just in between work, so
Yeah, perfect.
yeah.
Brilliant.
Why is Momo the fan favorite?
This is the reason. This is the reason. Yeah.
I do love chow mein, guys, too.
What's your favorite though?
I like chow mein a lot. I love momo as well. I do love a momo. I like buff momo. Buffalo momo. Yum. Delicious. How do I say delicious? Mito. Hey, that's easy. Mito. Yeah.
Dami.
Dami. Is
Dami.
Dami. What does that mean? Delicious. That's so easy, guys.
You can say babal.
Babal. Ah, babal. That's easy. So good.
The grinners. Look at this.
Obviously, I'm not Nepalese, but I always go to Big Bazar because I love the tea.
The favorite.
Cardamom, all of it. Masala, so delicious.
Yeah.
So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube. My channel is all about culture. You may have seen an episode I put together recently with my partner Saeed about the Nepalese in Glenroy. We're sharing the Nepalese love, and yeah, we'd love your support as well. And it's been so fun to be invited here today. I feel so honoured. There's so many Nepalese in Australia. There's so many, specifically Melbourne, right?
Glenroy.
Glenroy, well yeah, Glenroy, East Nepal, right? Mini Nepal, exactly. There's so much food, so many grocers, and what you guys bring to the community, you should be very proud. It's really such a beautiful vibe. I live in Glenroy and I absolutely love the Nepalese vibe here. Keep doing what you're doing, guys. It's really special.
What's your favorite thing in Big Bazar, Donna? What's your favorite? Yeah. What?
You know what I love? Where's the rice pudding?
I have no idea what rice pudding you're saying.
That's my favourite thing, guys. I love the rice pudding, but I forgot where it is. It's this way. Come with me. Zoom.
Zoom.
Zoom. Zoom. Zoom. Zoom. This is it. Yes.
Oh, that's it?
This is my favourite thing from Big Bazar.
The rice pudding?
Yeah, the rice pudding. So there's one with pistachio and coconut.
Yeah.
Standard. There's also saffron and I can't remember, saffron and almond. And this one. Maybe we'll get some of that too.
Sure.
Let's go, guys. Zoom, zoom.
Zoom, zoom.
Zoom, zoom. Guys, we're served by a lovely staff at Big Bazar. Guys, this is my shopping for today. My ways. I mean, I wouldn't be a Big Bazar if I didn't get my ways. My piece and my favourite. Big Bazar, thank you for having me today at the Momo Challenge. I had so much fun. I had so much fun meeting you guys and getting to know the Nepalese culture. So much love for you all.
Wow.
I see you.
Once more!